Hello friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is MaybirdBax. For today's video, we're going to make homemade pickled shallots. So let's get started. Ingredients are, we will be needing shallots. These are local produced and we call it LASONA. Okay, then let's peel off the skin. I just peel off the first layer of the skin and that's it. And then after that, I'll wash it. And now it's clean. I wash it already and ready to place in a jar. Now we have a ready container here. You can use a plastic or even a glass container or jar. So now we are ready. The secret ingredient is, of course, red wine vinegar. Of course, 1 teaspoon of salt, brown sugar. I will be using whole pepper cornmeal, garlic, and bay leaf. Okay then, let's mix or prepare the brine. All I need is hot water. Thank you all for watching. Until my next video. Bye!